Queenie, and I'm back with another video on Disneyland. So we made a video for you guys before on this topic, but as it is the most requested topic so far, we're making you guys another one. So Disneyland is its own little world, and it can get overwhelming if you don't know what to expect and how to prepare. And that's why we're going to help you prepare for this trip to make it your best one yet. Number 1. So Disneyland is divided into two parts, Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. So if you're choosing on how many days to go for, you should usually pick 3 because it's a good time span to explore both of the parks. You can spend 2 days in Disneyland and then 1 day in Disney California Adventure. The good thing about that would be that if you do pick 3 days, you get an extra 1 hour with the Hopper Pass, which is you get an extra hour before the park closes for normal public on either Tuesday, Thursday, or Saturday. This is good because the lines are much shorter and you can spend much more time on rides instead of having to spend time on lines. Hack number 2 is to get up early. I get it, you're on a vacation, you want to sleep in. But if you're willing to have more rides to explore, get up early, usually an hour before the park starts. If you're there early, you have a likely chance of being the first ones in line, and you will have time to explore more rides than the entire public. Some of the most popular rides like Radiator Springs and Hyperspace Mountain in California Adventure have long queues, and if you don't want to wait in those, you can absolutely skip through them with your fast passes, which are absolutely free with your tickets. Hack number 3 will be to get the Disneyland app. So on the Disneyland app, there's the map of the park, which shows you where to go so you're not lost and you know which rides you want to choose. Also, it has timings for shows and plays along with the parade. And if you get the Disneyland app, you can also know which rides are closed for the season or for a couple hours due to wet weather or just technical difficulties.
Ooh. Uh-huh. That's the sofa where he always sits to watch TV? The piano? No, that's a phone. Uh-huh. Oh. Some picture frames? Uh-huh. Calendar and all, uh-huh. Okay. Let's see what's coming up next.
This is the garden.
Wow.
And some plants over here and the watering house.
Pluto's house. Ooh.
Wait. There's gonna be a bunny. I know it.
No bunny today. Ooh, big potatoes. Ooh. Queenie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Queenie. Happy birthday to you. Yay! you see that? Queenie, come here. This is a haunted mirror.
Mickey's there. Mickey. And he's gone.
Ooh.
Let's go out.
Let's try it again. Mickey.
Mickey, Mickey.
Yay! Donald Duck!
Hack number 4. Get the fast passes. Fast passes are the bomb. They let you skip lines and rides. So you don't have to wait 2 hours and you can just stand in line for 15 minutes. How you get the fast passes? You have to go to the window by the fast pass which has you insert your information. When you do that, it'll give you a time period which Number 5. Get a runner to get some fast passes for you. So say for example you're on Hyperspace Mountain and the fast pass time is 10:30. Get a runner with all your party's tickets to run to the next ride and get the fast passes before the ride actually starts. Or if you have a runner willing to skip some rides, let him get the fast passes while everyone else is riding.
Veuillez rester assis jusqu'à l'arrêt complet du bateau et attendez jusqu'à ce que l'autre ou l'hôtesse nous demande de descendre. Merci. Por favor, permanezca sentado hasta que el bote se detenga en el muelle y se le pida que desembarque.
Bonus hack! Okay, so for this one it is that you have to get the fast passes early. Say for example there's a really popular ride that you want to ride. Say Radiator Spring Racers, but the ride fast passes run out quick. So that has to be the first thing in the morning that you do. Because for popular rides, the crowd will go crazy in the summertime to get fast passes. So make sure you do that first thing in the morning. Bye guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you comment down below if you liked the video. Also, like and subscribe and hit the bell for post notifications. Thank you, bye! There's dog poop!